Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the best teacher keychain sets available on the market. If you're looking for the perfect way to appreciate teachers, this is it. Introducing the Henoyso 36 pieces teacher keychain bulk set. It's not just a set of keychains, it's a heartfelt token of appreciation packed with thoughtful details. Let's talk about what makes these keychains special. You get 36 pieces in total, featuring 6 different designs like the globe, book, apple, pencil, schedule, and blackboard. Each design is not only cute but also carries a nostalgic charm that teachers will adore. Crafted from durable silicone, these keychains are built to last. They're sturdy, well-printed, and designed to withstand daily use without fading or breaking. Plus, they're easy to clean. Just a quick hand wash keeps them looking pristine. Whether it's for a teacher appreciation gift, a Christmas present, or simply a token of gratitude, these keychains fit the bill perfectly. They're not just for keys. You can attach them to bags, pencil cases, or use them as zipper pulls. So, if you're looking to show your appreciation to a special teacher in your life or perhaps stock up for an entire school, the Henoyso 36 pieces teacher keychain bulk set is your perfect choice. Click the link in the description to get yours today and make someone's day brighter. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this. Until next time, take care and appreciate those who educate us.